Hello guys, my name is Chiranjit and today I am going to show you how to make 3D design in Adobe Illustrator easily. So let's start. So today I am going to show you two design. First one with star symbol and second one with polygon symbol. So first I will take a circle with press Alt Shift for a proper circle. Then I will take this direct selection tool and will select this point to make it half circle, and will select this point and press delete to delete it. Then I will take start tool, press Alt Shift for a proper star symbol. Then I will fill it, just drag it, it will be filled. Then of the outline, make it smaller. Then with Alt Shift drag it for duplicate one and make it a little bit bigger. Then select both objects and press Ctrl Alt B to make the blend. Then with Alt Shift drag it to make the duplicate one. Then repeat it with Ctrl D. Then window, symbol, and just drag it and change the name star symbol. So the symbol is added here, you can see, and then delete it and take it to the artboard and go effect 3D revolve, and on this preview option you can see that this is already makes a 3D design. And then you choose this one, right edge and more art, then choose star symbol, then on this option invisible geometry you can see the preview and drag it to adjust the design in the circle. So that's it, you can see the design is made. Okay and okay. So this is the first one with star symbol, and then I will make another one with polygon. Press Alt Shift for a proper polygon, and the fill color make it black, just drag it and make the outline off, make it smaller, and with Alt Shift drag it for the duplicate one and make it bigger. Then select both objects, Ctrl Alt B to make the blend, and then press it with Alt Shift for duplicate one, and then Ctrl D to repeat. And then just drag it to the symbol and change the name polygon. You can see that this is added polygon symbol, then delete it, take another circle, make the outline, and take this direct selection tool and delete it. Go again to 3D revolve, preview option on, and this on right edge and more art. Then choose polygon and just drag it on this invisible, make it small. So you can see this also made here. So here is ready. You can see that with star symbol and another one polygon symbol. Two type of 3D design ready, and thank you for watching.